So, if you were speaking to, an accountant, CFO, tax professional, and they want to start to build an expertise in crypto and accounting, what are some practical first steps for them? Obviously, they should reach out to the accountant quits, but maybe there should even be some steps before that to get the most value out of going through that course. Is there any good starting point?
Yeah, they definitely should start somewhere else before coming to the accounting quits. It depends how much they dabbled into crypto, but if you've never installed like a self-custodial wallet, start there. Yesterday, I was explaining to one of the newest team members who just joined, I recruited someone, and they had never installed a MetaMask. Obviously, I didn't hire them for their crypto knowledge, but for their other expertise.
Yeah.
And they were kind of blown away. We went on a few dApps. We went on Uniswap. I showed them how to swap. I showed them how to bridge. Um, so it's really starting out there. So he told me, "Here, I have some Ethereum on Revolut," and he thought he was in the game because he had some Ethereum on Revolut. I'm like, no, no, don't talk about Revolut. Let's speak about like self-custodial wallets, like for a while. And yeah, I think a lot of people, maybe they have some money, they've invested some money on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, on some exchange, but trying to get the money out there and try to start playing with some apps. And for me, when I started, there was a very good resource. I'm not sure if they're still out there. There was a website called Rabbit Hole, I believe.
Hmm.
So Rabbit Hole had these different quests that you would go, and at the time there were a lot of dApps there, like Aave was there. I think there was Superfluid, Optimism. So I started like playing with all those or doing all those quests, and you would earn like points or something. They gamified it. So in the beginning, for me, that was very helpful because I learned a lot through that gamification, which I think is very cool for like a new person entering the space.
Yeah, I agree. You gotta get your feet wet with all this as a first step, and the decentralized nature of this, no one's stopping you from doing it. So it's just all about self motivation. Fund your wallet, start making some transactions, and then try to do the accounting for those transactions, and you'll start to really get a perspective on some of the challenges in this space. You'll get a better understanding of the industry in general.